I was exploring around this rainforest, looking for different kinds of plants and animals with my binoculars. Ooh, I see you. Hey, I got an idea. Do you want to explore the rainforest with me? That's great! Before we get started, we need to learn some signs. Are you ready? Great. Let's warm up our hands. Yeah, do a little bit of this. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Ooh. You're fast. Okay, the first sign we're going to learn is explore. Because today we're exploring. All right, are you ready? Great. So you need both of your hands for this one and kind of make little C's out of them. Almost like you have your own binoculars. So you hold them like this and you explore. Explore. Hey, let's do that sign together. Are you ready? Fantastic. Okay. Make little C's with our hands and explore. We're going to explore with our binoculars. Woo! The next sign we're going to learn is rainforest, because that's what we're exploring today. The rainforest. Are you ready for this sign? Great. This one also requires 2 hands. So, we're going to do rain, forest. Let's do that one more time. Rain, forest. All right, let's do that together, okay? Great. Rain, forest. So now that we've got our signs down, let's get our binoculars and go exploring. Come on. Let's go this way. Hey friends, I just saw something truly fantastical. Do you want to see? Great. Here, you can look through my binoculars. Whoa, guys, look! It's a jaguar. Oh, wow! Jaguars are some big cats that live in a rainforest. That was awesome! A whole jaguar, and we just saw it on camera. There are so many things to see in the rainforest, and so many things to learn about the rainforest. Let's go see our friend Yasmin. She's got a word that we need to spell.
Thanks, Linda. Hey guys, my name is Yasmin. I'm one of the PSA puppets that works at the Nixon Library. Today, we're going to learn how to spell rainforest. Rainforest is a big word, so I really need your help on how to spell it. Are you ready? Great. Here is how to spell rainforest. R-A-I-N. That spells rain. That's the first part of the word rainforest. Let's move on to the second part. F-O-R-E-S-T. That spells forest. That's the second part of rainforest. Now, let's put rain and forest together. What does that make? That's right. Rain and forest put together makes the word rainforest. Thank you for helping me spell rainforest. You did such a good job.
You did it! You helped spell rainforest. Awesome job, guys. Now we're in a different rainforest. Did you know there's more than one kind of rainforest? Hello, small patrons, and welcome to Mr. Dan's Fun Fact Corner, the part of the program where Mr. Dan gives you a fun fact. Today's fun fact is about rainforests. While tropical rainforests, like the Amazon, are the most popular type of rainforests, there are also subtropical or temperate rainforests in the world. These temperate rainforests occur in places like Oregon, or parts of the British Isles, or Japan. Despite differences in temperature, small patrons, these rainforests typically receive about the same amounts of rain each year. This has been Mr. Dan's Fun Fact Corner. Now back to your regularly scheduled program. Right now, we are in a different rainforest, which means there are a whole new set of animals and plants and other kinds of things that we can look for. So let's go exploring with our binoculars. Oh, I see you. Guys. I have seen something super cool. Do you want to look? Okay, good. You need to check this out because it is amazing! It's an orangutan! Whoa! What color are they? That's right. That orangutan is orange! How cool! Rainforest Animals by Jill McDonald. Lace up your boots, put on your backpack. We're going for a walk through the rainforest. Rainforests are warm, wet places, full of tall trees, beautiful plants, and amazing animals, like jaguars or sloths. The rainforest floor is dark and damp. Can you count all the crawling insects? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 crawling insects. Insects are small but important. They are a source of food for many animals. The giant anteater uses its snout and long, sticky tongue to catch and eat insects. It can eat up to 30,000 ants and termites in one day. Giant anteaters have no teeth. Here's a gorilla family. Gorillas are big and furry and have very long arms. They eat fruit, bark, leaves, and sometimes bugs. Let's climb a tall rainforest tree. Croak. What's that sound? It's a red-eye tree frog. Frogs lay eggs and tadpoles hatch from them, right here. Tadpoles then become baby frogs. Growl! This big cat with spots is a jaguar. It can roam the forest floor or climb into the trees to look from above. Unlike most cats, jaguars like water and are good swimmers. Hiss! A boa constrictor coils around a branch. Its long, scaly body has patterns to help it hide from enemies. Boa constrictors can have 60 babies at one time. Whoa! A little higher up the tree now, we hear a loud whoop whoop. What's that? It's a howler monkey, the loudest land animal in the world. Howler monkeys use their loud voice to scare off other animals. Sloths look forward to nap time. They spend most of their lives hanging upside down in trees, holding on to the branches with their long claws. Sloths are the slowest moving mammals in the world. Let's climb up some more. See that beautiful bird? It's the Scarlet Macaw. What colors are its feathers? That's right, red, yellow, and blue. The Scarlet Macaw has 2 claws that point forward and 2 that point backward, so it can easily grab things. Right here. 2, 2. At the tip top now. Whose blue wings do you see fluttering? It's a blue morpho butterfly, one of the largest butterflies in the world. The other side of its wings is brown, which helps it hide when the wings are closed. The rainforest is home to so many special animals and plants. Maybe one day you will visit them. The end. Wow, what an awesome adventure we went on today. We explored a tropical rainforest, and we saw a jaguar. We explored a temperate rainforest, and we saw an orangutan. We learned the signs for explore and for rainforest. And we read a pretty neat book about the rainforest as well. We also learned to spell rainforest. Do you want to spell rainforest one more time? Great! Let's do it. R A I N F O R E S T. Rainforest. Man, you did such a good job today. Thanks for hanging out with us today. It was so good to see you guys again. Keep reading, keep exploring, and we'll see you next time.